Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to download Chatgpt extension. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Introduction to Chatgpt extension. Before we get into the installation process, let's quickly talk about what the Chatgpt extension is. Chatgpt is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and its extension can be added to your browser. Step 2. Open your browser. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. The Chatgpt extension is compatible with major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Step 3. Visit the extension store and navigating to it. Once your browser is open, type in Chatgpt extension in the search bar. Click on the official link that takes you to the extension store. Step 4. Find the Chatgpt extension. In the extension store, use the search bar to find the Chatgpt extension. It should be listed among the results. Step 5. Click on Add to Browser. When you find the Chatgpt extension, click on the Add to Browser button next to it. Step 6. Confirm the installation. A pop-up window will appear, asking for confirmation to install the extension. Click on Add Extension to proceed. Step 7. Wait for installation. Now, the extension will start downloading and installing. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Step 8. Open the extension. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice the Chatgpt icon among your browser extensions. It will likely appear at the top right corner of your browser. Click on it to open the extension. Step 9. Log in or sign up. If you already have a Chatgpt account, you can log in at this point. If you're new to Chatgpt, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Step 10. Start using Chatgpt. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Chatgpt extension. You can now start using it to assist you while writing emails, posts, or any other content. Simply start typing, and you'll see the AI-powered suggestions popping up. And there you have it, folks. Installing the Chatgpt extension is a breeze. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with Chatgpt.